Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to set ringtone for individual contacts on Android. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to set a ringtone for individual contacts on Android. First is to unlock your mobile phone by using your PIN, password, fingerprint, or face unlock. Go to the home screen, where all your apps are located. Open the Contacts app, sometimes called People, or access through the phone app. Find the contact you want to set a custom ringtone for by scrolling or using the search bar. Tap on the contact's name to open their profile page. Look for the three-dot menu or settings option, usually at the top right corner. Then scroll down until you see an option labeled Ringtone or Set Ringtone. Tap on Ringtone. A list of available ringtones will appear. Browse the list of tones or tap Add if available to choose a custom sound from your music files. Tap on the ringtone you want to assign to that contact. Preview the sound, if your device allows, by tapping the ringtone or play icon. If there's any, press OK or Save to confirm your ringtone selection. Finally, save the contact. Tap the check mark or Save button, or by going back by tapping the arrow icon to the left. Now that contact will have its own ringtone. Now, whenever that contact calls you, your phone will play the custom ringtone instead of the default one. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.